Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Busy back with another video, and today, honestly, I'm recording this after recording the live session of the video, and I'm telling you, it's a hell of a roller coaster that's waiting for you in this video. I ain't gonna lie, but before we jump into all the shenanigans that happened during this trading session, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you know when a new video drops, and don't forget to join the best Telegram channel for free signals every single day. Links are also in the description. So without further ado, let's get into it. So gang, let's get right into the chart. As you can see, I've been here looking at this chart all day, trying to find my nice little support, and I'm thinking right here at 105.293, and we're seeing that price diving down right here. We are in overbought conditions. I might switch that to 7030 a little bit. Kind of use it like an RSI. So yeah, I'm gonna follow this nice little trend that I see, the 2K. That probably shouldn't get pushed up that much. A little late. Should have seen that. So now I'm clearly seeing that we are in overbought. Switch my settings a little bit. Mostly stochastic oscillator and RSI, for me, they usually do the same kind of work. The heavy lifting they do for me is most time I use them as the indicators to show overbought and oversold conditions for me. So they really help in that instance. You know, I'm getting back into 1 minute trades, and you can see that I absolutely suck at this. So I think I might be switching back to M2, because I think I've gotten used to allowing the market to like move a little bit more, and starting with a 2K loss is definitely not the way to go. Definitely not the way to go. And as you can see here, completely different chart. Okay, let's change our time. You know what? I might still do 1 minute trades here, but I just like how slow this chart is. All right, let's look at M3. Kind of the same. All right, kind of the same. I think the price will still get pushed up. So let's enter into a call. I want to triple on it, but I think if I can even pull even on this at first. That might have been a good call. We are in overbought conditions, but I don't see anything showing that the price is starting to dive down. Right now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. So I'm expecting that price to stay above a little bit more, get it pushed up. With 14 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All right. That's 4K. All right, we're 4K in the hole. The 4K in the hole, as you can see, profitability just went down. All right, let's go back and let's put it together. Oh my God, what's taking forever? I'm trying to get to today. Good option. You should be able to automatically calibrate your charts. For real, what's taking so long? You'll see this. This is what you have to deal with. I just lost 4K to the broker, and they won't even. Maybe this is a sign. Maybe this is a sign to stop trading, because I don't know what the fuck is going on. All right, right here we can see a downward trend. M1, great strong candles showing definitely downward trend, so we'll follow that trend. I have to martingale this at this point, because there is no other way that we can come back from this if we stay this way. So we have to enter for 4K, and we get punished. We get absolutely punished. So I doubt that price is gonna hit, honestly. But I doubt that price is gonna hit with 13 seconds left. Yeah, that's a blown account. That's a blown account. It took me 5 minutes to blow it. But we'll enter for 1,000. As you can see, one in my balance is really low. All right, guys. We still have 2K on the account. I think I might stay away from the M1s from now on. It's a crazy loss of 8 grand. We had 10 grand starting, 8 grand just down the drain. All right. This is where you really put in, and usually it's a point where I would tell you guys to stop trading. You know, go outside, do some things, but today, with 3K, 7K more, I think we could really get this. I really feel it. I really feel it. Let's see if luck might be on our side. All right. So right now we can still see the market going down. We'll put resistance right here. So what we're looking for is a good entry point. We already have a line there. So we're expecting this market to continue to be bearish. Now, what's a good entry point? Now, I'm expecting that this candle might flip up a little bit here. And when it does, I'm going to enter. So I'm not paying super attention to the candles. We're looking at volume. We're looking at how the price has been moving. A lot of price action. That's the fact that it doesn't work every time, right? And in this situation, it doesn't seem like it might work as well for us. So I guess I had the wrong feeling, guys. We just blew a 10K account. Shit happens. Shit happens. It's part of the game. We're gonna go back. We're gonna, replenish the account. Wish I could have kept it. We got a last minute pullback. Really didn't seem that the market was going that way, but ends up going back. So we are at 4,500. So we're seeing a lot of sideways movements here. So we're just gonna move this pair. I don't know if this pair is able to get the, finally it does. Right now we can see the market move from here. And we can see another point here. So there's a possibility right here that this market repeats what it's doing here. So in this situation, we're here for 2 points. We can see that we are well in oversold conditions, and we can see the market turned at some point here. Now we're seeing a little bit of a bullish candle here. I might go to M2 to kind of see generally, kind of in the same ballpark. M5. Okay, this is gonna take forever. All right, so we might enter. I want to see a little bit more pullback out. Yep. Maybe another. Yep. Okay, so I think we almost entered almost at the same time with both of them. So that is looking hella sus, if I'm being honest, but I think we might take profit on this as well. So it was a difficult start. Now we're pushing back a little bit. Started with a 10K loss. Not a 10K loss, about 8 grand loss. I count what is it, 10K. And, you know, we're going through the process of trying to see where we made mistakes. We learned a very, very difficult $8,000 lesson. I love to just break even because at the back of my mind, I'm thinking that this account was blown. Yeah. So we just take 900 off that and then 900. So we're at 6,000. So we're down only about 4 grand. I think we might just continue to follow this trend upwards here. See the price getting pushed up constantly. Double up on that. Triple down on it. Just continue to follow this trend upwards. Sometimes it feels like it's so simple and you're trying to complicate it by trying to be magical with your what's it called? Indicators and charts and everything. But honestly, some days are like this where you start with a horrible loss and now you might even break even. And that's it. That's what it's like to be a trader. You guys have seen all of the spectrum of emotions that could happen from me thinking that I was going to blow my account to us pulling back and making a little bit of a comeback. I wouldn't call it a great comeback, but I think it's okay. We're able to get it back on Euro CAD. I think we get back to 8K, 9K. Okay, I think I'll just stop here because as you can see, you guys, I can show you what the situation looked like in the beginning. And then we went, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 for 8 after losing $8,000 in trading. We started with 10 and now it's 9. So about $1,000. I'd rather lose 1,000 than I would 8. So I don't want to push my luck to try to, because I think it's going to be better if I entered into another trade to kind of make the video feel better. But I think that I don't want to push it. I think that this has already been a good lesson for anyone who's watching. And, you know, as I like to give you guys, show you guys what it's really like to be trading in the seat, not like cutaways and fucking fast forwarding the video, just like showing you guys how difficult this is. So thank you guys for joining me for another Busy Trade video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button if you learned something today. If you'd like to join the best Telegram group for binary option traders, links are in the description. And if you're new and you want to start and you're 100% sure you want to start, links will be in the description. Support your boy. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.